What is up, you guys? So today we are going to be doing a clean with me / putting all of that furniture that I showed you in my last video together. Well, just the stuff that I bought for this sitting area. So that's what you're gonna see me do here. I show you exactly what piece of furniture I'm putting together. Like this one is the Besta. This is going to be the coffee shop station that I am going to leave at my mother's home. And for what it is, I thought the price was so good. And honestly, IKEA furniture is easy to put together. It's just time consuming, right? You have to read the directions slowly and make sure that the image matches what is in their instruction manual, and you won't have a problem. And if you're putting things together that are similar to what you just put together, then you just, you bang it out because like I said, it's very user-friendly the way they do it, and I kind of enjoyed putting all this furniture together, to be completely honest with you. And it was fun being able to put the actual piece of furniture in the place that I wanted it to go and cleaning up all the clutter. When choosing what pieces I wanted to put in here, obviously I had a budget in mind, and I also wanted furniture that was clean and would house all of the things that were just out in my mom's kitchen before. It just feels better when everything has a home, and that is why I chose this. Also, she likes white furniture, and when we leave here, she's going to redo some of her own furniture with some white furniture, and I just thought this would be a nice add, and also the price was great. So, yep, that's why I chose that, and it was so easy. Ta-da, that's it. And now I'm cleaning up. This is what it looked like before, as you can see. There was really nothing to it. A bunch of random pieces just jumbled together, so I wanted to change that. I also bought this shelf to match the coffee table that I bought, or coffee station that I bought. It's the exact same length. They go really well together, sorry. I really wanted to clean up the spot, and I bought this steamer. It's freaking incredible. It gets so hot. I can steam the floors with it. I can get all the grout lines and baseboards. It's literally my best friend. I love this thing so much. I just add rags to it and disregard my shorts and my legs. Gross, I know, sorry. You don't care. And just really cleaning that area up before I fill it up. And see, this is where I'm putting her sauce packets and seasonings and random spoons she's not using yet and putting them in there. The rice, paper plates, there's coffee in there. I ended up changing this entire coffee station, so disregard what it looks like and is decorated like now. I will show you guys the finished product in another video, like the styling of it and everything. I'm still on the hunt for everything, but yeah, you see how the coffee bar looks so far? My dad got the shelf up. I'm sorry, I forgot to push the record button. He actually put that up for me, and I moved the coffee station. He's putting up this little cup holder that they already had. They really like this cup holder, so I just decided to keep it in there. Plus, this is going to be her coffee station when I leave. And we've really been enjoying this station, and we use this room so much more than when we did before by adding the seating area that you'll see when it's done. But yes, my mom really likes her coffee station. Now, this piece of furniture is the Besta, and the Besta series you can basically custom build and make into whatever you want. And this actually ended up being too large for the space, but what's amazing about IKEA furniture is you can separate it. So that's what we ended up doing. You'll see later in the video what I'm talking about. So I just used half of this IKEA furniture in this room. You see right behind Chris, next to that china cabinet, is where we ended up putting it. The problem was you can't put two large pieces of furniture right next to each other. It just consumes the room. It didn't feel right, so we had to separate it. And it worked out perfectly because I got to put the other shelving unit in my office. So this is what you're going to see here, is just Chris putting this together, and you'll see Ryland come in and out of the room. It's so cute, just wanting to get Daddy's attention.
I saw a light when you passed me by. The reason why I shine.
just an update. I had to separate this Besta storage system. It was just too massive for the space, and my friend Naja even told me that, but I was like, no, we need the storage. You just can't have two large pieces of furniture next to each other, so there's that. All right, it's the next day and back to the other side of the furniture. My father here is helping me with the doors. The doors are so hard to put on alone, and that's all I'm doing here is getting everything lined up. I'm gonna put the shelving inside so we can store, backpacks, random baby things, just things that don't have a home, now have a home. And that's what I'm doing here, is just I'm adding the shelving. And then now I'm going in and cleaning the area where the chairs are gonna be. This is where I'm gonna start putting together the furniture. I wanna clean the space up first, of course, before doing so. So that's why I'm steaming. I really wanted the grout lines to be clean and the windows to be clean as well. And these chairs were so fun to put together as well. Like I said, it's so easy to put the furniture together, and I'm obsessed with these chairs, you guys. They're so freaking cute. There's different colors. I would totally look into these if you just want some petite chairs that are low to the ground, that are comfortable, that are easy to match into different types of decor. I love these chairs, and I feel like for $200 each, that's not bad at all. The hardware on these are also gold, and yeah, overall I really, really like these chairs. All right, we got the chairs done. Now I'm going to get rid of this rug. Did you see how much pee was in that? Hidden. Didn't know because the rug was so dark. And again, with my steamer, don't know what I would do without this thing. Just making sure the floor is clean because I'm about to roll out this IKEA rug that I bought for the space, which is a nice neutral gray, and I think the dark portion is a black, or it could be a dark gray. I can't really tell. But it matches my mom's house perfectly. Her floors are a gray color. And here I am just, adjusting the chairs, stepping back, staring at it, putting it back, moving it. You know how it goes. So that's the placement for now. And then I put together this coffee table, which I thought was going to be too high because the chairs were low. But dude, it ended up working out perfectly, and this table was so easy to put together. As you can see, you just put it in there and then you had to kind of hammer it into place. It was confusing at first, but then, dude, it was so easy. As I said, IKEA furniture is. But this is what the space looks like so far. It is now complete. I'm just missing a few more pieces before I show you. And yeah, that was me putting all the furniture together in this room. Your girl did it. Me. Of course, I had some help, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the reveal. I have much more coming for you. I also just finished up the office, and it is night and day. But thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.